Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is a kind of mini vlog in which I am going to this newly launched IKEA store in Nagasandra, Bangalore. The expectations is very high, so let's hope everything will be good.
We're gonna show you all the things that are there over there. We're having early access to the family member thing. So we are driving all the way to
It is
Nagasandra.
almost 60-70 kilometers from our place. We started so early.
Yes.
Still on the way.
Yes, so stay tuned.
I'm taking this nice ring road which connects from Electronic City to Tumkur Road. This IKEA store is just nearby this Nagasandra metro, just behind it, I think so. That's what the Google is telling. So I hope the Google will be correct, because this will be the first time for us to go over there. So here it is, the IKEA store we were waiting for. Actually the store opens at 22nd June, but because of the family member we got the chance to go on 19th itself. That was the benefit which we got. So if you are coming by 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, whatever you will come, you will get enough space over here for the parking. They have a ample space to accommodate. Since we came before the launch date, the rush is little less, but then also people are very much excited. This is the entrance from the parking, which you can see. You can register for family member over here itself after coming. And as you can see, this is the P1. As I told, it is the parking. Then level 1, level 2, in which the showrooms will be there. There's a restaurant, market hall, self-service furniture store, where you can take all the stuff on your own, which will be a very much new experience. We are very much excited. So as we come upstairs, there are so many experience zones which IKEA has made. Bedroom, living room, kitchen, everything is there. This is the section for the business. If suppose you have a small business, large business, you want all this furniture and everything, they have a separate counter for that. They will help you in design your office. They'll help you with everything, from the installation, from purchase, from the designing, all the things they will help you. And then there is a restaurant which is very much famous, but we couldn't go to that and can't experience that particular thing. It was too much rush over there. And here we go, started all the items available in IKEA at very reasonable price. I like the way they are showing each and every rooms, how the living room will look, how the bedroom will look, how the kitchen will look. They have made all these arrangements and kept it over there for us to see how it will look if we will use all these particular furnitures. And price is really very much reasonable. So they have divided the floor into various sections like living, dining, kitchen, bedding, etc. All the sofas in one place, dining at one place, chair at one place. So whatever is your requirement, there are different sections in which you will find them. After going just 1-2 sections in this particular floor, we got tired, so obviously we have to sit and relax. As you can see, for each and every product which is showcased in the showroom, they kept 2 types of price tag. One is with red label, one is with the yellow label. So if suppose you are finding it difficult to understand, there will be people to explain you everything. But if you suppose any product is having yellow label, then that particular product you have to click the picture and the code of that product and show it to the counter, and they will add it to your cart. And if they have this red tag, then you have to note down this rack number and LOC number and then collect it from the self-serve area, which is a kind of very good and new experience, you know. And this is the time when it got power cut happened over here, which is kind of fun. So this is the self-serve furniture area which I was talking about. If any of the product has the red label on that, then you have to note it down, the rack number, the LOC number, and then we have to go and collect the product on our own, which is actually good. It is you can experience how things will be, and actually these racks and all that, oh my god, they are huge. There's so much product and all that. It was a really new experience for all of us. So that's it for today in this mini vlog. So too much rush was there for the billing counter. Oh my god, we waited for almost 2-3 hours for that, but it was a nice experience. I hope we'll come back again, and then we'll explain much better and more about the products which are available in that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.